Nyla. I'm the owner of My Hair Piece, and I'm a certified hair loss specialist and expert hair loss wig designer. So basically that just means that I specialize in hair restoration, and if you're a woman with hair loss, I am your #1 source because of my expertise. So today in this video, I will be teaching you how to lay your baby hairs and make sure that none of that lace is exposed. So stay tuned. For the products that I'm going to be using, I will link them below, and you can always go to my website and conveniently purchase them in a bundle package if you prefer to do that. Alrighty, so let's get started. So I do want to say all of our wigs come fully customized, so that means that the baby hairs and everything will already be laid on your wig when you receive it. However, it's not a permanent thing, so you are going to need to touch it up with time, and that's the purpose of this video. So what you will need is your Nairobi foam and Eco Styler gel and a little mini comb brush. Okay. So what we're going to do first is we're going to start on this sideburn. So the sideburn will already be cut for you and everything. You don't have to worry about that. But you'll just need to be touching it up. So we're going to put foam on there. Then we're going to grab our brush and just dip a little bit of it into the Eco Styler gel. I prefer to use the Eco Styler gel as opposed to anything else because it's a very light gel and it's not going to gunk up your lace. If you use Got To Be or something like that, it's going to gunk up your lace. So we're just going to create a sideburn. So for the next one, I'll go more over the motion, but basically that's what you want it to look like. So for this one, I'm going to go into depth on it. So we're going to put the foam first and just lay it down in the direction that we want it to go. So we're using the bristles. We're just going to brush directly down like so. Then we're going to dip the brush in a little bit of the Eco Styler. And you're basically going to go in a kind of S/C motion. So you're going to brush it forward, going in like an S motion. But the trick to it is to hold it with your finger after you get done brushing it in that motion so that it kind of sticks, as you can see. Because if I just brush it like this, it's not going to stay. But if I brush it a little bit and then hold it with my finger and then bring it into that S motion or C, it will actually stay. So then we're going to hold it where we've got it into that curve. And we're just going to bring this little tail forward. If you have little hairs that are sticking off or doing whatever they want, it's okay. Use your finger to help mold it. So now we're going to do left and right temples. So basically, same thing. You're just going to go into a C motion, going down. Use your finger to help mold it where you want it to go. And then just brush them. It's kind of like art. So just keep on going with it until you get it to look like how you want it to. So that's good for me. This one, I just went into a swoop motion like this. Held it. And then continue to brush it. And with your wig, you will already have the baby hairs and everything cut, so you won't need to worry about cutting anything. Okay. So we have the left and right sideburn, left and right temple. Next, we're going to cover up the rest of the lace. So we're just going to apply foam onto the sides, the front, and the other side. And with the comb portion of our brush, we're just going to gently push the hairs forward to cover up that lace. For me, I do not like the swoop-de-swoop-swoop-swoops. If you like that, more power to you. I just am not a big fan of the ocean, and I'm more of a natural girl. So for me, when it comes to baby hair, less is more, and that's how I like mine. Like I said, if you like the swoops, go ahead, swoop. I just like mine looking really natural. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you're going to lay your baby hairs. And if you have, I don't know if you can see this, but this little piece of lace right here is trying to flap up. If you have that before your lace dries, you're just going to put a little bit of foam on it and push your finger on it to make it lay down. You can do this process on a canvas block, which is the head that I have. Don't judge me in my head. If your wig maker's head does not look like it's been through a little things, don't trust them. Or you can actually do it while it's on. I prefer to actually do my baby hairs while it's on me, just because sometimes whenever it's on versus whenever it's on the head, it will look different. So that's basically it. If you guys have questions, please let me know. Comment below. If you like this video, comment below. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. It really helps me. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, beauties.